Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Wishy Washy Moonshiner Garage here with my boy Piston. We're about to. No, we ain't done with that. We're done with that for a little bit. Check out what we are gonna do. Truck's been sitting over there for a couple months. I told y'all I was gonna start messing with it, so I got out the old ShamWow and polished her back up. Took a little time on the inside. She looks good. A little car show. One of my buddies has a barbecue stand here. He's putting on a car show once a year. I always take the Moonshiner, but you know, that ain't happening right now. So I didn't want to leave him high and dry, so I pull out the old OBS and we're gonna take it. This truck's got a great story behind it. I pulled it out of a pasture, redid the whole thing, and within the first 6 months it got a chicken jumped out of a tree, busted the front. I never fixed it again. Pressure washer end tip came off while I was washing it. Bam, hits it right there. And my son clipped a little tree backing up, just a little graze right there. Other than that, she looks pretty good. It's had the SS grill in it, but I changed it to a GMC. This is actually a 1990 Chevy, not GMC, but looks like good anyways. So we did a little few things to it, but this morning I got it loaded up. I got the Hot Wheels loaded up, some chairs and some bang bang. And we're gonna go to the car show. Car show videos normally don't do too. Come on. Show videos normally don't do too good. Ain't nobody cares about that stuff. But you know what? I don't care. It's a cloudy day, and we're going to a car show. So, and I want to get back into that a little bit. The Moonshiner's gonna be done for a long time. Talking about tube chassis and that thing now. So. I don't know, but right now, today, sun's supposed to be out today, supposed to get up to the 70s and dump this old nasty hoodie with piston slobber all over the side of it.
Dude,
God, man.
That's gross, bro. It's gross. Why you always slobbering me? Cause you love me? And I love you too.
Come on. Got the original old 350 in it. It's that throttle body, but I put some Flowmasters on it so we keep it clean. Come on. Here it comes. There it comes. She's about to warm up. Drop that high idle. That Flowmaster about to. Whoa. Watch out now. Watch out. Talking about high idle. Look at that thing. What you wearing? What happened, you Miss Shine? What happened?
Again.
At the gas pump? Well, nobody come out to help you?
No, I lay there for like 3 minutes trying to get off the ground with my broken arm.
So is it compound fractured? I can't hear you over this Chuck Norris cam here. Is
Hairline.
It hairline?
Hairline fracture.
Where at?
Top of my humerus.
Uh-oh, it's because you're old?
No, he said that my joints and soft tissue were remarkable for my age.
He did. You're remarkable.
Love you.
There it goes.
Oh, I see what you did there. Thought that was Ice Ice Baby playing. Hard to believe that we're putting towels in the floorboard of a truck that we pulled out of a pasture, what, 4 or 5 years ago?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy, ain't it? All right, let's go. And don't pay attention to that check gauges. The sensor temperature went out. This truck ain't getting hot. It's just smoking. Whoop. Raindrops are falling on my window. be rolling with a smoking hottie. Yeah, putting on a car show is a lot like putting on a drag race. My boy Mookie's probably put a lot of money into this car show. Buying all the food, all the drinks, all the trophies. Got all these people in position. And then it starts raining. And just the forecast can take half the people away. I mean, that's why we need about 5 tailgate throwdowns planned a year with some understanding behind it. I think they called this car show off. Oh man, last year it was way out here. Oh man. Well, we're here to support them, and we don't look like that. Really good car show. Look at that. Huh? Easy peasy. Got talent. Got a hot rod.
Well, baby's got his.
There's a broken hip coming. That cover it up? Smartest guy in the house. Yeah. That is super cool. That is cool. .48 internet. They done LS swapped it. Come on. I know those are bad as a bone. Got a little tread on them too. Oh, they just big wide tires. Yeah. Well, what a pooper on the car show. I hate this for Mookie. But the best thing about coming to Mookie's car show is, well, you get to see some cool cars, but you get to go eat the best damn barbecue in Texas. Come on. What's up with those? Oh, drums. Wow. That's cool. Haven't seen that before. Hey, you believe you closed? It's not open. I'm hungry too. Oh, that thing is amazing.
What's this one?
Ah, that's yours, is what it is.
We have a tub equally as full. Like,
Yeah.
Well, one more.
hey, you know.
Jog in the corner.
All right, this is breakfast and lunch.
Just kidding. They opened. Whew, that was close. Mookie's Barbecue. That's where you want to eat at. That's good stuff. I don't think no 7 degrees is coming no time today. It's still just a terrible day for a car show. But a good day to hang out with your wife. Well, that's all for the car show, guys. That's about all I can handle. Might make a little content though, and it was fun to get the truck out. Although I had a good time at the car show, I got this lift at home. I still got to get off the trailer. Me and Miss Shine, we Googled all of the pulleys and cables and setups, and a couple family members showed up. By the time we got home, we had this thing standing before you know it. All we needed was to get the legs anchored down and start putting this thing to use. It's gonna be one hell of an upgrade for Moonshiner Garage. I'm super excited. The Lucky Automotive tagged me in it and I was able to go get it. It's gonna allow us to get a lot more stuff done around here. Just like that, boys, we got us a 4-post lift here at Moonshiner Garage. What you think about that? I think it's pretty damn awesome. Got the Moonshiner motor and transmission tucked away nice and tight. Air conditioner clutch started rattling on this thing today, like really rattling. I thought the timing chain had broke.